are hyped. So I've never tried. I'm going to try it to shop. So we already came back from shopping, and I decided to do a haul for you guys. Show you guys what we got. Um, just like I don't know if I'm going to be able to show everything because it's a lot, but I'm gonna try to show most stuff, if not all. But let's see. So I got this moped rather, moped is the moped fancy liner. Says intense protection, extra dryness, cushiony softness, skin friendly, all that's 20 pieces in it. I think it cost about 330 naira. Yeah. I've never tried this, I've never used it. I'd love to try it. Yeah, guys. Then moped pads, sanitary pads. I've actually used this a couple of times. I recently started using it. It's really nice, really soft. I mean, like I have to give it to moped. Yeah, they do really good. You should try it if you've not used it. I think it's really nice. So I've got this a freshener dispenser. I mean, she's what's called. Yeah. The air freshener scent is lavender and chamomile. If I'm pronouncing that right. Yeah, guys. So some toilet paper, more toilet paper, toothbrushes, toothpaste, more toothpaste. I saw this cute set of shaving stick. It's in blade. I think you have to use for you to like be able to shave properly. The blade has to be up to like hey guys. So I got this swing blade. It's for women and it's really cute. It's pink. That's a crazy reason to get something, but some canned for paper towels, kitchen. Oh, this is still tight, but this is happy. This is not happy. If you're in Nigeria, you know what happy is used for. Happy. I actually tried like other variants of happy, yeah, lavender and that orange color. They're not as nice as the original blue one. The original blue one is so much better, so much thicker. So I got Nasco conflicts. Nasco conflicts is actually my best. Is the only conflicts I like. I've never really tried any other conflicts, actual conflicts that I like apart from Nasco. I just think it's the best. I mean, tell me, like, comment below what your favorite conflicts is. Yeah, guys. Everyone wants to try this. I mean, I've heard that it's overhyped, so I've never tried it. I'm going to try it to travel. So also got some granola. Super excited to try this because I don't think I've ever had granola. I don't remember. Then cappuccino. This cappuccino coffee drink, whatever it's called, is the bomb, like the bomb. Onion noodles, onion chicken flavor Indomie noodles. It's legit the best of all the Indomie noodles. Like, and we got a whole pack of cheese balls because for some reason my boyfriend has this obsession with cheese balls. So, take tomato paste. We use to make stew, jollof rice, jollof spag, all that. Maggi seasoning. So this is tiger turmeric. I got turmeric because I want to try this turmeric face mask I saw Samira Regia do. She does it all. This Nusa chocolate hazelnut spread. So I decided to try this tasty tom jollof mix paste. I just want to try it. Never tried it. I heard it's not so bad. It's pretty good. Some corned beef. Yeah. So it's not the peanut butter spread. We got this eclairs oats. I've not had oats in like the longest time, and I'm so excited to try this brand, Honeyville grain quick oats. So it cooks in a minute. I can't wait to try this and never tried this. So yeah. Milk chocolate is legit the best chocolate drink ever. Like, I love this. This is so nice. They used to only make this in like small sachet. I remember when I saw this big sachet for the first time in Market Square, I think that was like, oh my god, I've been waiting for you guys to do this in like a bigger pack. What I also want them to do is make it in a cup, so that's like easy to take from and close back. Something. Well, I mean, I don't mind. I'm happy about this. Yeah, love. This is my favorite chocolate drink in the world. Love. This Fun Time coconut chips is the best low calorie, low fat thing. I just think it's so nice. It tastes so good. And I've got this vanilla essence. I've actually never, I don't know if you guys can see this. I've never like tried this brand before, and I want to. to bake cakes and stuff. Then yeah, sugar.
Evil on the beat, on the beat.
Hey vlog. So I'm waiting for the banga soup to boil and thicken. That's next step. But there's one problem. The fish I'm using, I went to the market this morning. Okay, let me even give you guys the gist. I went yesterday, yeah, and the woman, I think it was just one woman selling catfish, and was she was done selling. Oh no, she had there was just one fish left, one huge fish. It was so huge. But there's already girls that went to buy, and I probably was like, we shouldn't give this girl's not going to like buy, so I'll just buy it and go, because there was no other person selling. But so the woman told me to come this morning, to get this fish that she didn't get it a lot, and she's like just done selling everything. It was just that one left, and somebody wanted to buy it already. So I think I went around 8, and to my surprise, all the shops in the market were like closed, and I was wondering like, what's happening. So we're doing some kind of like environmental sanitation, and so I got to where the man was selling the fish, and she had fish. It was a ton of fish, but she said she couldn't sell until like 10. So I should come back, unless I was just going to buy it and bring it home and kill it myself, and do all that. And my god, that's one of the things I dread about catfish. Like, plus I don't feel like doing catfish even after it's killed and they've taken out the guts and everything. I feel like it's so much work, and then someone wants me to like take fish and go and kill. Nah. So I asked her, what time can I come back? Like, what time I should be able to like sell it for me and everything and kill it and do all that. She said by 10. So I want to quickly go to the market and get the fish and come back. Yeah. So that's what I want to do. So yeah, guys, come with me to the market.
Evil on the beat, on the beat.
come to the end of this vlog. Made it to the end. I am so grateful that you did. I'm really excited that you did. So when you already subscribe to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, and all that fun stuff. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.